Wow, what a beaut. Doesn't that look absolutely amazing? Audi Q7, 3-litre diesel, black edition Quattro. That's what this car is. 23,000 miles on a 2020 69 registration with full service history, but it's the colour. Now underneath the car is fluorescent silver, metallic silver, but it's had a beautiful wrap put on it, that gunmetal satin grey, and it looks amazing. Obviously being the black edition, it's all de-chromed anyway, but on a 2020 69 registration, still under Audi manufacturer's warranty, and it's the new shape, the new model, with a new LED matrix headlights, front and rear. It's 286 brake horsepower because the Q7s come in different ranges, so this is the better, more powerful engine. With a full black styling pack, the big grills, 360 view camera system, that's front cameras, side cameras and rear cameras, and look at them wheels there, absolutely gorgeous. 22-inch, the newer style Audi Sport wheels, the black side skirts, and then you've got the fixed side steps, black window surrounds, the matte finish the roof rails, and then this car's got the tilt and sliding panoramic roof. But have a look at this, it's got that beautiful Valcone sport seats in there. Such a nice soft leather interior with electric seats, the Bose surround sound system, that's the comfort and sound pack, the ambient lighting, the new dashboard with that full Audi virtual cockpit and the touchscreen media system and the touchscreen climate screen. It just looks super crisp. I love the lighting around the Quattro underneath, the floating dash effect, the door cards. You've then got Alcantara sections on it, the welcome light and the S-Line Audi entry kick plates. 7-seater vehicle, 3-litre diesel, lots of space for all your friends and family, third zone climate control, obviously you've got heated seats and things like that in the front, no problem. Flat bottom steering wheel, but look at the space, there's tons and tons of it. But with Audi, you know what you're getting, it's build quality, it's reliability, and in this case, it's the styling. It looks mega from every angle. It's just a stunning car. Round the back, the same thing. Like you see on the front, you have the sweeping dynamic indicators, the same continues here. Then you have the individual lovely LED rear lighting system as well. The black badging, the black rear trims, the rear diffuser with exhaust, fascia coverings, automatic tailgate, and then remember the 7 seats. But like I've said several times, the Q7 gives you the ability to have all 7 seats up and give yourself a big boot area as well, where you can put push chairs and shopping bags and everything else. Underneath, you've got the subwoofer and the amplifier there. Them seats go down very easy. Over here, you have the buttons to press and literally, they just do that. There's nothing more to it. There's no fighting, no struggling, nothing. Automatic tailgate. The wrap is in a brilliant condition. This car has been so well looked after, inside and out. But again, it's like anything. If you're looking at a car and, because you can't really go and buy this paint, you either buy a normal one and then wrap it yourself and spend a few £1,000s, or get one that's done already with the best wheels, with the tilt and sliding panoramic roof, the black edition, the flat bottom steering wheel, automatic headlights, window wipers, the memory seats for the driver there. I just think with the 360 camera system, a lovely, nice, clean finish, it just looks sharp, doesn't it? You look at this, if you're driving, you're in a good position and everything's very easy accessible and it's very easy to use. If that's navigation, Bluetooth, onboard computer, you've got your drive select button down there so you can choose different modes. You've got off-road, all-road, efficiency, comfort, auto, dynamic or individual, so you can configure it. Your different suspension settings, because you have got air suspension, so you can lower it and raise it. The 2 keys, twin cup holders. Down here you have the wireless phone charger pad, just there, with more USBs as well. Paddle shift. The list goes on, but like I said, when you're driving a car like this, it's comfortable. You get great returns on miles per gallon. The 286 brake horsepower is more than enough. And the finish, everything from the seats to the steering wheel to the dashboard, it just feels awesome. Value for money, I think it's brilliant, because there isn't many 7-seaters out there that deliver the same as this. Certainly not this sort of price. And remember, it's the new model as well, with the newer headlights, newer backlights, and the newer interior. That makes a difference, because on 2020 and 69 regs, you could still get the new version and the old version. So sometimes if you see one and you think, oh yeah, well I'm saving myself £2,000 here, but what aren't you getting for 2,000? You're not getting the newer shape, you're not getting the bigger wheels, certainly not getting the wrap. Awesome opportunity to own an awesome car. My name's Joe. My name and number's on the bottom of the screen. Give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.